G'day everyone, Scarlett Blaze here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Scarlett Solo Studio version 2.
We are unboxing the Scarlett Solo Studio. It is the second generation 2 in 2 out USB audio interface studio pack. And this is everything that is included in this, which is a microphone, a headset, some cords, and our interface, audio interface. So continuing to unbox our item, we'll just open that right up. Neatly packaged inside. Was just pointing to some instructions. So we'll just pull out our microphone first. That's our microphone neatly packaged. Ain't that a beauty? Very fitting to my YouTube channel. It is not the reason why I chose it. I had watched other reviews on the Scarlett audio system. So that's the Windows user instructions and Mac users instructions, just on the top of the box there. And then we'll just lift out our headphones or our headset, and it's not nice and neatly packaged. Got our labels and everything on it, left and right. It just uses a audio output. That's for putting your microphone on a stand if you have one. I currently do not, so that one will be just waiting for a while. And then there's our interface box, nice and neatly packaged right there. Audio interface box. They really stuck it down. And they have one of those silicone gel packs so that no moisture would get attracted to the electronics. So just looking at our interface, our audio interface here. So we've got all our little ports. That's for our headphones. And that's for our monitor. That's for guitar stuff. And then we've got our microphone and power buttons and connecting cables at the back here. Just some little warranty booklet and our final two cords, the one that connects to the back of the audio interface device to the computer, and then we also have the one that connects to our microphone to our audio interface device using these two points here. And that is all that is in this box. So that's it all unboxed. So we'll just put it together, shall we? So here we're about to connect the microphone. Just grabbing our ends here. And you just check which end you've got, because one is specific to microphone only and one is specific to the audio interface. So we'll just plug in the one to the audio interface and pop that one right in there. And then plug our other point into the bottom of our microphone, right in here, making sure it clicks in correctly. There we go. And so that is our microphone plugged in. Next we are going to just plug in our part that plugs into the back of the audio interface that plugs into the computer. So we'll make sure that our cords are all untangled. That's the one that plugs into the computer, so we'll pop in the one that plugs into the back of our audio interface, making sure it is the correct way. And click that one in too. Beautiful. And then after that, our only thing left to connect is our headset. This one's pretty simple. They just put heaps of these little metal ties around these things just to make sure our cords don't get tangled. But in the end, we all know that they get pretty tangled if you're like me. Like if you have a mess of a desk like me. So we'll just untangle that and plug it right into our audio connection. And once that's all plugged in, you can go ahead and plug it into your computer and follow the setup instructions on the top of your box lid. And I'll show a photo at the end of this showing the ending of it. That's just for the microphone. Once again, I don't have one for it, a stand for it yet. So that is it.
Please click that like button if you enjoyed this video, and follow all my social media links in the description down under, and I will see you later.